So by the end of this video, you will have an exact method on how to calculate your daily bias day by day. Every day when you get onto the charts, you will know exactly what your daily bias is and how to come to a conclusion of whether I want to long or whether I want to short. So let's get right into it. So this is a very simple method I came up with, and it's very simple. You probably even thought of it, but for some reason you probably just complicated it just like I did before. I overcomplicated it, it got discretionary, and it was harder to backtest, but I found something which has a very good hit rate of being right. So essentially this is the daily chart right now, as you can see on Euro USD, and all we're going to be looking for is swing highs and swing lows. So if you're not familiar with what a swing high, swing low is, swing high is a high point with a lower high to the left, lower high to the right. Okay, swing low is the opposite, high low to the left, high low to the right. Okay, so it's like a triangle sort of curve formation. So as you can see from here, what do we have? We have a swing high, and let me just get the brush tool out. We have a swing high right there. Okay, this is our swing high, if you can see the curve. Now, once this has happened, we have a swing low, which is right there. Now, most recently, the swing low has been broken right there with a body close. Remember, body closure of a swing point is crucial. So this is a body close. So now I'm bearish. Simple. My daily bias is bearish. I'm looking for only sells on this specific pair. And then you can say, okay, where am I going to be targeting? I'm going to be targeting low-hanging fruit. So this is the lowest, most like the next swing low. This is what I'm going to target. So this becomes my next draw on liquidity, and I have my daily bias. Now, the only reason to invalidate your bias, because you should always have an invalidation point to know when your bias has changed. It's very simple. All you have to do is look for the most recent swing high, which is right there. So I am bearish until basically this area gets broken with a body. If a new swing high forms and that gets broken, then I'm bullish. But right now in this piece of price, this is the most recent piece swing high. So now if we move price forward, let's see what happens. Okay, we're still bearish, and look at this. A new swing high has formed. So this I will mark as a new swing high. Now I am bearish until this swing high gets broken with the body. Once that gets broken, I'm automatically bullish. It's very simple. And as you can see from this point, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, all of them were bearish closes. Even the 5th day was a bearish close, a bearish day, which means that the power of 3 formation would have worked to some extent. Now it's debatable whether you got the right entry, whether you know the right liquidity sweep time, the actual kill zone times, and if you want me to make a video on that, make sure to let me know in the comments below. But essentially what I'm saying is price did move up first after midnight, and then it did go down. That's essentially what I'm trying to say, and your daily bias was correct. So now we're still bearish. Okay, let's see what happens. Look at that. The draw on liquidity was taken. We're still bearish. And yeah, okay, one green day, but maybe you didn't even get a bearish short entry model. So it's fine. Okay, we've taken out this liquidity. That's fine. A draw on liquidity. We're still bearish. Okay, we have a new swing high right there. And it looks like we have a potential new swing high right here as well. Okay. So this is my new swing high. All I'm doing is just tracking price. And look at that. Again, we're just taking our lows and lows. Low liquidity, low hanging fruit, because we're bearish. There's no need to say we're bullish. Oh, we've taken out this liquidity, so we might be going up. No, don't worry about that. Just worry about what is my daily bias. What is the next daily candle likely to do? Okay. Yeah, you can say that, okay, we swept liquidity. Now we've pushed up. Nice. But when is the best time to stop taking short longs? When's the best time to start taking shorts? Don't get caught up in this, because your overall time frame is bearish. Okay, let's play some more. Look at that, we're just plummeting. Okay, perfect. This is a good example. This is a swing high. Okay, lower high to the left, lower high to the right. This was a swing high, and now we've broken it with a body. Now this is giving me my indication that we are actually going to switch trend, and we could have a potential week or so of potential buys. Okay, Now you can say, okay, it could be coming up to this area, could be coming up to this fair value gap, all of that stuff. That's very discretionary and that's up to you. But all I know is that we've broken a swing high and now we're more likely to go up. Does it have to happen? No. Could it? Yes. Okay, so in this case, it doesn't happen. We have a break there, and then we have a couple of green days, so you could have like, potential entries there. But after all, overall, we get another swing low there, which gets broken with the body. So swing high, we're bearish again. Simple. Okay, now we've broken this swing high right there with a body close right there. So my next swing low or my invalidation point is this. This is the most, I think, low. Yeah, this is a swing low. Okay, so when this gets broken, only then am I switching to bearish. So now we're bullish. Just look for buys. Look at that. Just going up. Price is going up. You're catching entries. Okay, now does this get broken with a body? No, it doesn't. Look, this was the low, gets broken with a wick. Liquidity sweep. So we're more likely to go take out this next draw on liquidity. Let's see what happens. Okay, we don't take that out. We have the new swing low and this gets broken. So now we're bearish again. Okay, so you essentially get the point. Now, this is a very mechanical way of calculating your daily bias. All you have to know is swing highs and swing lows. And if you know that, then you can literally go back test it, back test your entry model, back test the daily bias now with this method, and let me know how it pans out for you. Okay, that is all for today's video. Hope it's brought some value to you. If you want to check out a free community with a free trading course, then first link in the description. It's a Discord community, completely free with a full A to Z trading course involved for you. So come say hi, join the community, and hopefully I'll see you there. So that's all for me today. Happy trading, stay safe. I will see you next week. Yeah, peace.